Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwitheli.com, and here I am showing you another card using the To a Wild Rose. So I love it so much. I really like this one with that one. I feel like it just makes it so easy, as well as these two together. So let's just keep going. I have a base of Whisper White Thick card base and 3 cardstock, and I'm gonna be folding it in half. This is 8.5 by 5.5. So we're going to be using our bone folder to have a nice crisp fold. Then I have a piece of Flirty Flamingo, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. So you can see it here. And then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is our regular cardstock. And this one is 3 3/4 by 5. Okay, so I'm going to be bringing the foam mat, because when you are stamping with photopolymer stamp sets, it just makes it so much easier. So let's just bring the Flirty Flamingo, and we're gonna go ahead and the stamped. Let me just think. I'm gonna just put it here. Okay, and again, this is one of those distinctive stamp sets. So you're going to get a more realistic look when you pair it with these two, right? But I'm going to be using this one because I like more the other look, but that doesn't mean you don't use that one, right? It's just personal preference. Then I'm going to come with the Early Espresso. Actually, before I go that route, I'm gonna bring, let's just bring this one, okay? So I have already fussy cut one of the roses out of a Post-it. That will help me to get some sort of, you can see it here, like a mask, right? I'm doing a mask, that way I can't I can put my leaves and make sure that nothing goes on the rose. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp off. And then I want these leaves to go like so. And I'm not too concerned about this part, but I am more concerned about this one because it has a little stamp. So I don't want that one to show up on the other end, so let's just do that one already. Can you see it? Yes. So I'm trying to line up everything with the camera in front of my face, and then we're gonna do another one like those. Now I'm gonna share with you something else. Hold on before I forget. So this one will go maybe like so. And this one does touch a little bit more of that. Oh. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp. Alright. Okay, and you can see here where it's good to have that that mask. One tip that I'm gonna share with you is that you want to make sure, as you are fussy cutting this one, you want to go and actually go kind of like inside the lines, right? I mean, don't go to the edge, if you know what I mean, right? I mean, it's gonna go more towards the inside, and if you can see it, you saw it here where it didn't cover the whole thing, right? And the reason I do that is because a lot of the times when you're doing the masking and you go all the way to the edge, then you get some areas where it's not covered, so it kind of looks funny. So I found out that when I go kind of inside the lines, it's much better. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring this one, okay, and let's just see. And let's see how it looks. And voila. Does that not look amazing? I don't think I shared too many of this type of cards with the masking, because I'm always kind of going for a more easy type of card, but I feel like it is not as hard. You just have to have your mask, and you just have to make sure that you have gone like I said, not all the way to the edge. Okay, so voila. What do you think, guys? I feel like this one just looks fantastic. And so let me just put this again so that you can see. Well, yeah. So you can see how I went inside, right? I mean, you can tell, like for instance, this petal is kind of, you see that? So I go kind of more that way. Like in this case, you can get the sense that this leaf is really behind the flower. So there you have it. Okay, so that's one of a tip right there for you guys, because I have done some of these. I'm gonna put this just so that I ensure I don't have any. There you have it. Because I have done some of these cards with the masking where I don't get a good result, and like I said, it was because I was not going all the way to. I was going all the way to the edge of the masking, and so then naturally you get a little border. So okay, so now I'm gonna put this one right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and glue down this one. To my card base. Is that open that way? Yeah. Let's just check. Yes. Because I have it where I've done it wrong. Okay. So I have it right there. And then I'm going to put a little rhinestone there. Not a rhinestone, but one of these faceted gems. So I'm going to go and see. Ooh, it looks really nice. And there you have it. Okay, really easy, and I love, like I said, that technique of the masking, because it makes you feel like you're doing layers, right? And you can see it here. The stem doesn't go. It was protected on this one, and then this one you can see more of that effect here. So anyway, so thank you so much for joining me and watching this video. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe. I think there's like a little button right there in the corner where it says subscribe, so that you can get more of these videos. And also don't forget to sign up for my mailing list, because you get 5 free tutorials, but also because that's where I send all the information about upcoming classes and events that I have. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.